feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Hello, my name is Malwande and welcome to my channel. Today is a Saturday, the start of our weekend vlog, and it is around 8:30 a.m. I woke up at 7. I was so irritated, and that's just because of the sunlight. I really wanted to sleep in. That has been a fail. But today I intended to go for park run, something I could not fulfill because I don't know who I thought I was going for a group run at 8 a.m. when it's Auntie Flo's week. I mean, come on now, girl. But what we are going to do is go and take a walk regardless because I am trying to get this body right before my birthday month, okay?
Now listen, daughter. Pay attention, pray and listen. Hear your father.
Are you the type of person who does their skincare before brushing their teeth? And if you are, please explain to me how that works. Help me understand how does that make sense, because to me it does not make sense at all. I need to brush my teeth first, then do my skincare afterwards, because I don't want that residue from the toothpaste on my face. What do you do about that and the product you're removing? Anyway, help me understand. Sensodyne girlies to the world.
Lies they told us all earlier, they will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage. King will heal you before him, adore him.
So nice to have a water bottle again.
Everything, come and take your can't keep going back to what I used to know. Please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going.
Asiko isikali senzelwe mina nawe. Every promise to you, 'cause he won't give up on you. He's able
to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down this road.
wonderful God, you are.
You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. See my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see I'm better. No longer what I used to be better. He remains the same every single day. Yesterday, today, I let him hold my hand and I follow all his plans. Sometimes I don't understand, but to trust is what I can do. 'Cause he made me new and he paid me too. Things I used to do that I shouldn't do, all of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky like it's 4th of July. So I'm good, even live my life for the other night. I'm good, 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 I'm
not me realizing when I got off the taxi that I forgot my fitness watch at home. I'm gonna have to trust in my phone to count steps for me. But yeah, it's such a hot day. I need to actually buy myself a cap because I am burning, and I am kind of grateful though that there's wind. So yeah, let's take this walk. I just want to see how far I'm gonna get, but like I said, I'm not gonna push myself too hard. I saw the is it SABS? The blood donation people. They have a van here at the beach. I've been rejected 3 times for donating blood due to my iron levels at the time, but it's been a good 3 to 4 years since I last tried, so I'm really thinking about it. I'm really thinking about when I walk back. I think I'm gonna stop there and take an attempt at donating blood again. Guys, blood saves lives, okay? There are people out there, some who are even my relatives, who are always in need of blood transfusions and stuff. So if I could be accepted this one time, I think I'll be really happy. Like parts of my teenage years would feel healed. Actually, I did try in my early 20s too, but yeah, that part of myself I think will be healed, just knowing that eventually I was able to donate. I'm not promising that's what's going to happen. I have no idea, but I will give it a shot. Well, I went, filled in the forms, got my iron checked, and he said my iron is low by 0.3 points. It's too low, so I couldn't donate. Another day, another blood donation rejection. So now I've been told that I can try again after 3 months. Oh, man, I'm so hacked. I think I'm gonna go get ice cream, actually. Happy Sunday! This is my fit for church. I am loving it. You remember these pants that we bought last week Sunday? They are so comfortable. I got this t-shirt yesterday. This was the wig that I unboxed in a video. I'm wearing it for the very first time, and listen, I love it. I love it. I had to tie it back like this because it was getting too dramatic, too busy, and yeah, that's not what I want. Little gold necklace. It took me forever to find this necklace, guys. I spent a good 10 minutes just looking for this necklace, and I have 2 of them. And I have some gold earrings. They're from Mr. Price. And yeah, I've just requested my Uber. I'm waiting for it. Then I'm off to church. Whew, what a morning. But it's about to be even better in the house of the Lord.
Have you ever wondered what would happen if you paused on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I love some music, but I just went through it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side, and it's okay for you. Take a day or two, get your mind together. Sing it with me, say all to Jesus.
I'm back, and the clip I took earlier cut off my head, so this is what I look like. I love this look. You will be seeing this look again. I don't know when, but I feel like I didn't do it justice. But anyway, I love this look. I love how comfortable it is. Just a basic t-shirt. These pants. If you're not into white-legged pants and you are a tallish girl, get into it. Get into white-legged pants. White-legged pants are a girl that she thinks she is, okay? They're comfortable, they're stylish, and also, I don't know, I've never owned green pants, but I love them. I absolutely love them. It is so hot. Wow. One thing about Durban, when it says cloudy, I mean, you won't see the sun, but best believe you will feel the sun and you will feel the humidity. It is humid, it's hot. More than a year living here and I'm still not used to it. Let's go marinate some meat and then chat about where I'm at with my thoughts. So, to be quite honest, I think, sure, with the year coming to an end and now, everyone is starting to ask questions of, so what are your plans for the rest of the year? What are you doing for the rest of the year? How is God moving in your life for the rest of the year? What are you going to be doing next year? And all of those things. I think today it just brought to the forefront for me how there's still things that I'm very anxious about. There are things about God's will that still very much scare me and intimidate me and still make me feel like, why me, Lord? I'm not deserving. I'm not good enough to be doing that. Why would you pick me when there are so many other people? And this was part of the preach for today, was about Elisha and Elijah in the book of 2 Kings. And so, sure, if I think of myself put myself in the shoes of Elisha, right, where he was in the room, basically serving Elijah throughout his reign as king and allowing himself to simply be a servant of the Lord, not knowing that God had this anointing that he was going to place upon him and use all of those teachings to basically fulfill his word, because that's what we are on earth for, right, is to fulfill the word and the mandate of God. I think the spice has an issue now. But yeah, that's our purpose on earth. So I think there are many times where I honestly disqualify myself. And when I think about it, it sometimes brings me to tears because, man, God has divine plans for all of us. God truly has divine plans for all of us. And towards the end, the person who was closing the service basically spoke about how there are people who are always ready and they run to the forefront when volunteers are needed in the kingdom, like be it inside the church or even at work, within the family, within your relationships, wherever. But there are those people who always run to the front and they're like, pick me, I can do it, I got this. And then there are those who just don't care whether they get picked or not, right? Second group of people. Then there are people, which I think I am, who are like, yeah, I, Sana, why must I go? Why me? And I think sometimes it's not even the attitude of why must I go, but it's the attitude of, God, why do you think that I can do this? And I think the biggest reminder and the lesson in this chapter for me, in this final quarter of the year, because I've gone through a lot of changes in this final quarter, and when I reflect on the year as a whole, it really hasn't gone the way that I thought it would, the way that I hoped it would. But I also know that emotionally and spiritually, I am more content now. Well, okay, maybe not emotionally, but spiritually, I'm more content now than I've been throughout the year. I feel like, yeah, I'm really in my God, I love you era. But it sucks. Sometimes it's not the vibes. It's not it. Because you're like, Hashem, intando yakho Nkosi, ngiyayifisa kodwa yaze yabuhlungu. Like, I have to lose this thing? Oh, now I have to let go of another thing? Now I have to heal from this thing, I have to heal from that thing. Oh, come on, God. Like, bro. When does this road end? When do I get to, now you've dealt with everything. Now you can get what you deserve. Huh? But yeah, I think I'm just sharing because I don't think I'm the only one who is going through such a thing. I think it happens to people, but at different stages of life. And for me, it's happening right now where I'm like, God, I know I surrender to your will every day. But at the same time, your will scares me. Your will intimidates me. And I'm having to remind myself that God doesn't believe that we are capable because of who we are and because of what we can do, but rather because of who He is and who He calls us to be and the ways in which He will empower us and the ways in which He will provide. Something that was said in service today is that God doesn't lead you where He will not provide for you. God anointed Elisha and provided for Elisha where He was leading him. God anointed David and provided for David where He was leading him. So why do you think that God will take you somewhere and then not provide? Why would God put you somewhere and then say, "Aike, plan"? That's not God. God doesn't do that. So yeah, I think it's just a hard reminder of, I guess, continuing to die to self every day to say, Lord, your will and not mine. God, your strength and not mine. Because Hashem, my strength for the year is depleted. it's depleted. If you see me doing things and whatnot, just know that akse mina shame. Yeah, man. That's all I have to say. This meat is now marinated. Let's cover it up. I'm gonna pop this in the fridge and then I will cook it later. I will cook it later today. After cooking, I'm just gonna chill and crochet the night away. In the next vlog, I'll actually give you guys some insight into my whole crocheting journey, and I'll show you what it is that I'm crocheting because it is so exciting and near and dear to my heart. Thank you very much if you've made it this far, and I will catch you in my next one.